In this tutorial we are going to discuss about Scrum workflow. So what includes in Scrum workflow, that is product backlog. First we have to prepare product backlog. So the responsibility of product backlog will be taken by the product owner. So like see in this diagram, the features are called as product backlog. So apart from that, second part we have sprint planning. In sprint planning, what happens, whatever the features list we have, whatever the features we can conclude or complete within one sprint, that many features we can take as a sprint backlog. So like in this we have 8 tasks and we have taken 5 out of it, and this is called one sprint backlog. So next, move on to daily scrum meeting. So whatever the task we have taken in our sprint backlog, so according to that we have assigned to our team members this task, and we will take daily scrum meeting. Then we have sprint review. After completing the task, we have sprint review meeting. Then we have after completion and deliver after completion the sprint, we should have retrospective meeting. In that what happens, we will decide or we will discuss what are our impediments, how to resolve them, and what things we need to take care in our next iteration or next delivery. So these are the Scrum workflow. So move on to the next topic, that is what is sprint planning. So sprint planning, plan means whatever the planning we are doing to complete a task in it is in the time boxed manner. So majorly we can consider 8 hours of work daily and complete it within 2 weeks or 4 weeks. So that accordingly we are planning our product backlog and take into the sprint backlog. That much work we can complete, it is called it comes under the planning, sprint planning. So in that we will decide what we can deliver in the limited period of time. Then we have sprint delivery. So after completion of sprint, we will deliver our product. So the product sprint goal comes under it. Sprint goal, what sprint goal? Sprint goal is nothing but like as a target we can say how many product backlog features we can complete within a time limit. So by which our team will understand what is the purpose of our product and how it is useful for the client and users. So these are called objective. And after completion of 1 or 2 sprint, every team member will be able to understand the objective of our product or product backlog. So that's it for today's discussion. We will discuss next topic later. Thank you.